everyone, Shane here, reference librarian at the Thomas Crane Library, and on this screencast I'm going to show you how to browse ebooks by their category in Hoopla. Now before we get to Hoopla, let's begin by setting up an account. Here we have the Thomas Crane Library website, thomascranelibrary.org, and since we're looking for ebooks, we're going to go to Books and select Read Now. So here we have the ebook page. We're going to scroll down to the grid where our ebook services are and find Hoopla. Here we find information on what Hoopla is, how to register and log in, and Hoopla's borrowing policies. So now that we know how to access Hoopla, let's start browsing some ebooks. So here we have Hoopla's homepage. From here we're going to find Browse, which is located to the left of the search bar, and select eBooks. So here we have the ebook section. While this screencast is focused on browsing categories, you also have the option to browse through their recommended, featured, and popular sections as well. Now for categories, we can see that Hoopla has many different types of ebooks. So let's click on one to see what their selection looks like. So it looks like Hoopla has amassed quite a true crime selection with over 1,500 titles to choose from. We can narrow our search by selecting one of the subcategories or using the sort by function. And while it hasn't been captured, you can sort by popularity, alphabetically, user rating, date added, and release date. A few of these functions are located on the sidebar as well. So now once you've decided on an ebook to read, simply click the book, from here you can either borrow the ebook or select the heart icon, which puts the title in your favorite folder for you to read later. And that concludes the screencast on browsing ebooks in Hoopla. Thank you all for watching and take care.